So far we have seen the point-based system and the number of points that are required to be eligible for opportunity card visa. And in the second video we have seen how to prepare for application of this visa. Today I will show you a quick demonstration of how to check the eligibility actually on the portal on the Chancenkarte website itself, and the entire procedure. I mean, how do you see whether your education, your qualification, your degree or university is recognized over here in Germany. Now, in order to see your eligibility for opportunity card, simply open Google and search for opportunity card. Okay, once you do that, there's this website Chancenkarte. You click on it and you will land up over here. Then click on start now. That is for your personal application assistant. Okay, in the nationality, please select your nationality, click on next. Is your country of residence different from your nationality? I will click on no. Okay, then do you have a qualification that requires at least 2 years to complete? I have clicked on yes, I have a university degree, but if anyone has any vocational training or German qualification or any professional qualification, if you do not have any professional qualifications, then you can select these options. I will select this one for now. Yes, I have a university degree. Did you obtain your qualification in Germany, or is it partially or fully recognized there? Now, in order to figure out the recognition, there are some authorized organizations which will provide you the information regarding your graduation and post-graduation, whether it is recognized in Germany or not. So we'll come to that part later, keep that in mind. Then for this one, for now, since I have completed BCA and MBA, so yes, my qualification is fully recognized in Germany. I'll click on this. How well do you speak German? So for now I'm still learning, and I'm at my A1 level, so I will click on A1. How well do you speak English? Now for this you will definitely need IELTS score, and based on the score you will have to give the you will have to select the option over here. I will select fluent B2 as I have received 7.5 in IELTS. So what is your age? Now my age is 35 and above, so I will select this option. Do you possess work experience relevant to your professional qualification? Yes. Next question is, how many years of experience do you have in this field? So based on your experience you can select the option. I'll select at least 5 years of professional experience within last 7 years. Alright, next is your formal qualification is a bottleneck profession. Now in order to see whether your qualification is in bottleneck profession list or not, there's a website which I will be providing later, so that you can go through it and you can select the option accordingly. But basically these are the options. If you work in healthcare, then you will have to select B. If you work as a teacher in education industry, then you will have to select as a C. If you work in IT, then you will have to select option D. And if you work in science, mathematics or engineering, so then you will have to select as B. If none of these, then you will have to select on no. So for now I will select D, information technology. Have you resided legally in Germany for a continuous period of at least 6 months in the last 5 years? Now for this, if you have visited over here previously, if you have been over here for on a job seeker visa or on any other type of visa, Schengen visa or anything, then you can select it as yes. But they say, but be alarmed that this is not for the ones who have traveled over here for tourism purpose. So I'll click on no. Do you have a partner who also wishes to enter Germany with an opportunity card? So I'll click on yes. Is your partner eligible for the opportunity card? Yes, my partner qualified, fully recognized. Do you have sufficient financial resources to secure your livelihood at least 12,324? So when I applied before 6 or 7 months ago, it was 11,400 something euros. Now it has been changed to 12,324 euros. So if you have this amount in your account, then you can click on yes. Do you already have a job offer from an employer in Germany? If you have a job offer, you will have to click on yes. If you don't have, then you click on no. For now, I will click on no. Over here, you will have to provide your first name and your email address. So I will give my first name as Dinesh, and the email address I will be providing okay. We'll select for the terms and conditions and we'll click on submit. Once you click on submit, the application assistant will tell you whether you are eligible for opportunity card visa or not. Over here it is mentioned, dear Dinesh, below you find your personal results and next steps for the Chancenkarte application based on your response. Okay, itself. Congratulations, and then there are some next steps. These are some of the recommendations over here from the portal, and the first option you will see over here is Anabin. Okay, now Anabin is an authorized organization which will tell you whether your graduation, post-graduation, your degrees are recognized in Germany or not. So if we click on this, it will navigate you to Anabin portal. Selected as India, I'll just show you how do we select it. If you click on it, it will appear over here. Okay, after that now I am under university degrees. Okay, so I'm searching for my degree, and I'm verifying whether my degree is verified over here in Germany as not or not. Okay, so once you select the country, this portal will display all the degree types over here, okay, which are involved in India. Now we'll have to select the type of degree over here, whether it is a bachelor of 3 years, bachelor of 4 years, bachelor of 4 to 5 years, whether it is Doctor of Philosophy, Master 2 years, Master 3 years, Masters of Philosophy. So I'll select Bachelor 3 years, okay, and I will select the field of study as computer applications. Okay, now you see that in the search results I have this one option, and you see that this is over here it is mentioned as A3. Okay, now if I open this, okay, all you need to do is take a printout of this along with you in order to submit it in the VFS station while the application of the visa. Okay, I'll give you one more example. Let's select Masters 2 years and Business Administration, and I'll see Masters of Business Administration A5. Okay, and if we click on that, then you will have this information over here. So this degree is fully recognized by Germany. If you click on the print option, you will get the print of this particular recognition. Okay, so this is how you find your university degrees, and in order to find your institution, you will have to select institutions. Country I have already selected. Place will have to select now. Pune, Maharashtra, and the type of institution, let's suppose I select deemed to be university. So you will have all these options: Bharati Vidyapit, DY Patil Vidyapit, and Okay, and if we select private university, then again you will have all these options over here. Chancenkarte Patel and Flame University, Spicer, Vishwakarma. So all you have to do is click on the institution and take a printout of it. This will ensure that your university or your degree that is recognized by Germany. Okay, once you have got both the printouts for your institution and your university degrees, okay, then you can close the window, and if you scroll back, then there's next tab over here for prove financial means. Now this is where the blocked account comes into picture. If you are not a working professional, and if you have just completed your graduation, post-graduation, then probably you will have to consider blocked account to at least provide an assurity to the VFS station, to the German consulate, stating that you have sufficient financial means in your account, and for 1 year, for the time period where you will be living over here in Germany, it is not going to be anywhere. So this is kind of a restriction. Once you put it in your blocked account, every month you will get some particular amount, 1100 or something, in your account, and for 12 months. So basically this amount will be blocked for 12 months. Okay, now next option over here is getting a job in Germany. Okay, for this you will, if you click on jobs, it will navigate you to the below portal, but this portal is not active yet, and this is only for early registrations. Once the portal is active, then probably you will get the chance to have a look at it. Okay, after that you have the last tab over here, which is for apply via the German embassy in India. Okay, now for this you will see the first thing over here they have mentioned is the completed online visa application. Okay, if you click on it, then you will see the visa application from VEDEX, the VEDEX form itself. So first you will have to complete this entire VEDEX form. Okay, and then you will have to attach it to your visa appointment. Okay, so this will have all your information, your personal information, your address, and all sorts of contact details, identification documents, your travel dates, your references, and your livelihood. So we will go through this again in some of our next videos. Okay, then you have the second point over here, 2 fully completed application forms. Now for this you will have to take a printout of this form, okay, over here, which they have provided. I will have to fill it, and you will have to take 2 copies of this along with you. Not just for this, but for every document that you will be carrying, you will have to make 2 identical sets of those. Okay. Then the next is proof of sufficient funding. Now for this, if you are an experienced professional who has more than 2 or 5 years of experience, then I would recommend you to submit your pay slips, the ones that you get from your organization, and your bank statements along with that, so that it can be assured that you're getting paid from your current organization, and that's what you are reflecting in your account. Okay, then the full documentation of all skills and experiences you earned in this application assistant. Okay, whatever you have mentioned so far, your university degree, language certificate, IELTS certificate, your work experiences, and if you have stayed previously in Germany, then proof for that. All that you will have to keep with you. Okay, then there's a declaration form. Okay, if you click on it, this is kind of a declaration which you will have to where you will have to mention the date and your signature. Okay, then two recent passport photos. There's a proper format with which it has to be. Okay, so please go through it and follow the format. It basically it requires your biometric passport. Okay, then your valid passport plus any older passports that you may carry. So it is not just required to carry your current passport. If you have any older passports, please do carry that too. Then the main part over here is the motivation letter. I would recommend please do not use ChatGPT for writing the motivation letter. So I would specifically mention to write your own motivation letter along with some phrases and some humanly words. Okay, so for in order to do that, you will have to go through this, and then based on all the information you can start writing your motivation letter. You have plenty of time to write the letter, so don't worry about it. Okay, then your CV that is required. Prepare a CV for Chancenkarte, especially. Okay, and prepare it considering that you are applying for Germany. Okay, then you have permissions for the embassy to contact you. I mean, for the embassy to contact you, you will have to give them this information: your name, your address for service, the postal address, your phone number, your email ID, and in case if required, they will contact you on that. Okay, now you will select. If you select this, this will have the entire information. Okay, step by step over here. So if you have missed anything, just go through it, and you will see how each and every document needs to be. Okay. Now if you click on book your appointment, it will navigate you to the VFS Global website where you can book your appointment. How to proceed with booking an appointment, that we will come across later. But for today, I think this is enough. Please go through the website thoroughly. Please go through all the checklist, all the documents, and everything that I have mentioned so far. Let me know how you liked today's video and whether it was informative or not. And thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. Thank you.